Corbett Sports and North Wales Training have a brilliant partnership together. The customer service that we require from our staff has to be of the highest standards. Any training that we can get to our staff to help them develop that is all good for us and good for business.
I returned back to learning as I hadn't refreshed any of my qualifications from leaving school. So it'd been approximately 15 years without an up-to-date qualification. And the company approached me and introduced NVQs to us, which I just grasped with both hands. I thought, this is my opportunity to get back into learning.
Jenny went on to seek promotion within Corbett Sports and is now the training officer. She ensures that staff are given the opportunity to develop themselves. She's an ambassador for the NVQ process and makes sure that whenever possible, new team members are given the opportunity to sign up for an NVQ.
Since gaining my qualification and taking on board the NVQs, the company approached me and to my astonishment asked me if I would like to actually go into being a training coordinator and obviously passing on what I'd learnt in my NVQ to other members of staff.
I would like to say to any company that hasn't put staff onto NVQs, embrace the opportunity. The staff are far more proactive, they enjoy the training and they're loyal team members too, and they feel like they're paying the company back once they've done their training, and it validates the job that they do, and at the end of it it's an accredited award, which is brilliant for everybody.
Any employer that's thinking of workforce development, North Wales Training is one of the best institutes to use. Any qualifications that your staff can get can only benefit the company.